This is the kind of question where you can try to guess it or trial and improvement, but in fact, algebra will help you here. So 7.5 divided by 1.5 is 5. So we know now that 12.5 divided by something, could call it x, is 5. So 12.5 over x equals 5. To get rid of that x, or to isolate it, we can times both sides by x. So we'll then get 12.5 on its own and 5x, or 5x equals 12.5. Therefore, x equals 12.5 over 5, which is 2.5. We've just divided both sides by 5. 5x divided by 5 is x, 12.5 divided by 5 is 2.5. So the missing number is 2.5.